Hello Di, how are you?
Hello Anshika, I am good. What about you?
I am also fine. So today I have a question for you. What do you think about corruption?
Yeah, I have little more knowledge about the corruption.
So okay, you let me know.
Okay, the corruption is a thing by which people can cheat to the public. The corruption is like a cancer, and there is no solution of a corruption. There are many parts of corruption. So I am going to explain you one by one. We are human being, and there are many parts of our body. Corruption is like a human body. Corruption have also many parts like black money, bribe, adulteration, etc. If we talk about black money is the heart of the corruption, bribe is the hand of the corruption, and adulteration is the liver of the corruption. Adulteration is used in everything like cement, milk, etc. And the last one, commission. Every broker wants commission. If we refuse or deny to give the commission or bribe, so broker will not ready to do our work. And because of the corruption, the poor people cannot afford the commission and bribe. If even government officer will take the commission, and how poor people can afford the commission or bribe, and the work will be keep pending. Our system is very low and lazy. Corruption creates discrimination between poor people and rich people. Usually face a lots of problem because of the corruption. If we talk about black money, before 2016, there were a lots of black money in our India. But in our even people misusing the black money. But BJP government had created a monetization to grab the all black money. On 8 November, new currency on 8 November 2016, new currency was launched. Even people burned the money. The rule was so strict, and I was like the rule, and I appreciate it. If we talk about commission and bribe is taken in every school for admission, in every college, in every school, etc. If we refuse to give bribe or commission, so broker will not ready to do our work. And if we take action against them they definitely harm to us. If we talk about our government party, even if new government party come to in our India, so they take commission and they promote the corruption. Corruption is like a strong root. We can't root out of it. Maybe our future youth will root out the corruption, but now corruption is increasing like a disease and making our India hollow. If you know about how to remove the corruption, so comment.